Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very unique stitch pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies sweater, cardigan, jacket, hat as well. This is the way it looks like. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 11 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 11, this pattern is made of 9 stitch and this pattern is made of 2. So 2 plus 9, 11. You will need to cast on multiples of 11, 11, 11, 11 and 2 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 11 plus 11 22 and plus 2 extra stitch 24 and 2 edge stitch 26. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, yarn in back and knit 4 together through the front loop. 1 2 3 4, knit 4 together through the front loop, like so. Knit 4 together through the front loop, like so, and yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and knit 4 together through the back loop. First you're going to slip this first stitch, or you can slip all. 1 2 3 4, slip this 4 stitch, knit twice and knit this 4 together, knit this 4 together through the back loop, through the back loop. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, 1 2, knit 4 together through the front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 4 together through the back loop. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 2, we have one more repeat. 1 2, purl 2, knit 4 together through the front loop. 1 2 3 4, knit 4 together through the front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then knit 4 together through the back loop. 1 2 3 4, first slip and then knit through the back loop, knit all these 4 together through the back loop. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Purl 2, edge stitch, knit 1 on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1 2, knit 2, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, this yarn over, 2, purl 2, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1 2 and then 1 2 and then purl 2, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over and purl 2. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 2, 1 2, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over and then purl 2. Your last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front and slip. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and knit 3. Again repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back, knit 2 and purl 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 9, 2 4 6 8 9. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. And now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.